You know, guys, who is this? This is Akif's friend Ahmed. Can you please give an introduction yourself?
Hi, my name is Ahmad and my favorite hobby is playing games. And sometimes I go to this park to play with Akif.
And please something tell more.
I bring football to play with my friend Akif.
Today we bring football for playing with Ahmed. But do you know some special thing? That is, we were waiting for him for 30 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yeah,
At first, what is your name?
Ahmad.
May I know your full name, please?
Ahmad Abdurrahman.
Okay, then what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby to play games.
Can you please clarify us which type of game you want to play?
I always play
Roblox.
Yeah, I always play Roblox.
What's your favorite food?
Huh?
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Pizza. Oh. Do you like to play cricket or football? Which one do you like most?
Football.
And why?
Because football. If we play football, then do you know why his hobby is to play football? Because if we play football, then his leg will be broken, and he will take rest for every time.
No,
He'll not
that's
read.
not. That's
No,
not.
I just tell. I just.
Akif is a very big liar.
Yeah.
I don't say.
Yeah.
Who is your favorite friend?
My favorite friend is my family friend Akif, Rezwan, and Abu Talha and Ismail.
Who is Abu Talha? It's my.
Your father is calling. Go. You told him to come in the park, but he was too late, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, he was buying puri for my mom and Akif's mom.
What is the name of your YouTube channel?
Ahmad and KSA.
Ahmad in KSA. That's great. The name of my YouTube channel is Brothers English. Oh, you can short form. You can say BE. Can you tell us why do you like this park?
Because Abdullah came before in this park and
Okay, he is here now and he is eating puri, right?
yeah, you also.
So the point was why you like this park. Start from Abdullah came this park before. Start from there.
Because I came to this park a lot of times and I know this park. That's why this is my favorite park.
And it is also near to your house.
Yes, not that much near.
Not that much near. Why do you play Roblox? Tell us. Why?
Because it's my favorite game and there's so much games in one game, Roblox. I play another game called The Strongest Battlegrounds and another called JJS. That's why this is my favorite game.
Oh, that's great. Start. Start. Start.
Okay. How do you know how to upload video?
Because I don't upload so many times because my father upload all the videos maximum.
Oh, that's why.
I have to ask you a question, okay? How old are you?
I'm 10.
You're 10? I don't think you're 10.
Yes, I'm 10.
Which grade are you in?
3. Bye.
I told you that I'll show you the morning view of Wizarat Park. So we are inside the playground, My father and Akif is playing with the ball, and some people are sitting here. Okay, a really big playground it is, and this is our cycle. Hello, Akif. Akif.
Yes.
He's playing, so he is not responding me.
Why? Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, yeah. Assalamualaikum everyone. This is everyone, and now we're in a football field. Okay, so now we're playing a football. Okay, and there is me and my brother is shooting the video, and this is my father. And now we're playing pass. Means I'll give to him, and he'll give to me, and I'll give to him. Okay, so.
There is also a kids equipment to play, and the grass are there beside the playground as usual, and also the sand is there. And this is, you see, this is the place where you can walk without your sandal. Okay, people are sitting and they are talking to their family. People say that there is no tree in Saudi Arabia, but if you see in Riyadh, it's fully a green Riyadh because they water the plant every day.
The time is now before Zohar prayer, so there are less people in the park, and no one came to play this time in this playground.
Yes.
So we got the chance to play. Now the ball is to Akif, and he is giving to Khalid. Khalid again. The ball is with Khalid, and he is pitching to Akif.
Now we're playing penalty, okay? Now we're playing penalty. So let's start.
Hey, more back.
No.
Little bit back. Miss. How start is this?
And this is not a real grass. This is artificial grass, and green and white color. It's look like natural, but in fact no.